Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now. Unplug the console, remove disks, controllers, and any USB drives so nothing interferes. You do this because residual power or peripherals can prevent proper boot. Once done, unplug the power brick from wall and console and wait 10 to 15 minutes to let capacitors discharge. This often clears lock states. While you wait, check the power brick LED and test the outlet with another device. Make sure the supply is stable before you reconnect. Now you reconnect. Plug the power brick directly into a known good outlet, then attach a tested HDMI cable to a working TV input. You do this to eliminate bad cables or faulty surge protectors as the cause. Power on and listen for the hard drive or fan. Those sounds show the system is attempting boot. If the screen stays black, observe the front LED pattern and count blinks. That sequence helps diagnose hardware failures. For final steps, perform a soft reset. Hold the power button 10 seconds to force shutdown, then power on normally. This can clear firmware hangs. If still black, remove the internal hard drive and try booting. Sometimes a corrupted drive blocks display. You can also access the system storage menu to clear cache if the dashboard appears briefly. If none of these restore video, make sure to record what you observed. Blink codes, sounds, and steps so a technician can diagnose faster.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.